Scene script, AI is not push-button income, and that's why most beginners fail. Social media makes it look like AI prints money overnight. Click a tool, get rich. That's pure hype. Most people buy tools first, skip learning, and then wonder why nothing works. Tools without understanding equals zero results. AI works only when you understand the process behind it. Learn how to think, plan, and use AI correctly. Learn before you buy. Grab the free AI beginner guide, link in description.